educating to excel. A dynamic center of academic excellence in the liberal tradition for the production of top-rate, morally sound graduates of distinction who will be globally equipped for outstanding impact in the Nigerian society and global development. Mission. The mission is the provision of excellent facilities for the training of men and women in various academic, professional, and vocational disciplines in an atmosphere that would enhance the simultaneous development of their spiritual, mental, and physical faculties in order to produce morally upright and academically sound graduates with specialized skills and value systems who will be independent, invariably self-employable, and will be able to impact positively on the development of global growth, be it in leadership, academic, public, and the industrial sectors of their communities. We are designed to be a unique tertiary institution where a new generation of people will be imbued and empowered by the spirit of excellence. This new generation of people is to provide for their country the much-needed qualified, competent, skilled, and conscientious manpower that will steer their country from its present culture of unwholesome attitudes which are largely responsible for the unenviable manner in which most citizens opt for unrighteous and devious approaches to life and to issues.
Mountaintop University, empowered to excel.